have to get into the woods to take this shot. But anyway, I'm putting the end wall. This is the back end wall. There's the front end wall. On number 3. All right, I got both end walls done. And it's starting to rain a little bit, but if it doesn't rain much, I may throw that top on there today. It's not very windy. I give it a shot. All right, we are ready to pull the plastic over. I've got it all tied off to the end here. Got the corners tacked down in the middle. We're just gonna pull it over, tack it down the other side, and then start wiggling the wire in on the end walls. All right, about halfway. Okay, we're almost done with it. Just putting the batting boards down the side here. Not using wiggle wire down there yet. I'll get that later because I'm gonna have roll up curtains, but I'm thinking about just putting roll up and screens. We're gonna see how that goes. All right. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 of them all up and rolling, ready to roll. And number 4 will go right here, and is sitting right here. That one we'll do probably early spring. Not bad, huh? Still got to finish framing the door, and I got some work to do on this door. So that's why it's just kind of a hole cut out of the plastic here. But this is ready to rock and roll in here. God bless. Go play in some dirt. This is just organic medium. No dirt. Go play in something like this. Some nutrient solutions, some aquaponics, fish water, whatever it takes to grow something, and we'll see you next time. God bless. To me, these structures look bigger when you get the plastic on there. The video does nothing to really show you that. "96 feet. I got the windows trimmed out. Still have to finish trimming out the door and above here. Hey tubers, this is me filming Darlene doing a video for YouTube.
So Chuck's filming me.
Yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd do that.
Funny.
Yeah, it is. I look horrible.
Okay, tubers, real quick, I just wanted to let you know I'm just got a couple of shots here of the build as we were completing it, but I wanted everyone to go out and check out Daniel, my son, who plays the music on my videos. Check out his new channel. He got married to a Japanese girl, and they live in Osaka, Japan, and they have a story of their life together. I will put the link at the very end of this video so that you can go check them out. It's it's called Marielle's. Her name's Madi. Marielle's Life Through Lens. Go check them out. Thanks. God bless. And we'll see you next time.